Assalamualaikum and very good day, doctor. My name is Nabilah binti Azzmi and my matric number is 181842. So today I will answer the test question for pharmacochemistry test, which is the first question is how to develop blockbuster drugs. Firstly, I will understand the molecular pathway of a particular disease, usually a rare disease, in which happen in the homogeneous patient population. This method will allow us to study the disease and the molecular pathway that lead to that disease. From that, we develop the drug to disrupt the pathway of the disease and observe the mechanism of the drugs, which could expand to other disease area. They are impacted with the same pathway. So from the drug developed is active in the 3 or 4 disease, which means one drug can be used to treat more than one types of disease. And the next step is by doing the synthetic modification of the lead compound, which we can improve the drug's properties. For example, the current approach used is by screening the drug's molecule from the library and against the new biological target to identify the lead compound. So there is many possible drugs could be obtained from the screening of the library. And next step is I will create a brand platform, which is the brand usually becomes the identity of the drug itself, and it resonates more close to the consumer. This platform approach reduces the risk of the brands if one product has been declined, because we already get the trust with the customer, so people will stay by our product. And next is the developer company should connect with the patient, not just connection with the physician, but we should find a way to engage the patient as primary consumers, so that the drugs are more familiar to them. So it is easier for the consumer to buy our drugs. Okay, that's my first answer for the first question. And the next question is the strategies how to make sure that the drugs can be more potent. Okay, we know that the important factor for the potency of drug is lipophilicity. So this factor indicate that the relationship of drug with their biological, pharmacokinetic, and metabolic properties. So if the compound is too lipophilic, it may be not insoluble in aqueous condition, and if it is too polar, it may be absorbed through the gut wall due to the lack of membrane solubility. So it is important to make sure that the lipophily of a potential drug is correct. So the body could easily absorb the drugs. Next, other than that, the rigidify of the molecule we increase the rigidification of the molecule to limit the conformation of it. So it could increase the activity and selectivity of the molecule. The rationale behind the rigidification is to keep a molecule in its bioactive conformation, while we eliminate the alternative conformation that may interact with other target. So the drug is more specific to the disease or to the target site. And other than that, next we could perform the biosteric and isosteric replacement modification in the molecule. This modification can reduce the undesirable effects such as the low bioavailability, the unwanted side effects, inability to cross the biological barriers, and poor pharmacokinetics. However, with this modification still does not eliminate the desirable therapeutic activity of the molecule. So the effect is still the same, but the molecule itself has different structure or different conformation. Okay, I hope I already answered all the questions, and thank you for listening. That's all. Okay, thank you.